Hey everyone, welcome back. We all love sunglasses for the style, but when it comes to picking the right pair, do you know what actually matters for your long-term eye health? Today, we're breaking down the difference between UV400 and polarized lenses, so you know exactly what to look for. First up, let's talk about the most important factor, UV400 protection. This is a non-negotiable safety feature. UV400 means the lenses block nearly 100% of UVA and UVB radiation. Specifically, light wavelengths up to 400 nanometers. This is what prevents long-term damage like cataracts, macular degeneration, and photokeratitis. And here is a crucial warning. Wearing dark lenses without UV protection is actually more dangerous than wearing no sunglasses at all. Dark lenses cause your pupils to dilate, which sneaks even more harmful UV rays into your eyes. So, always look for that UV400 or 100% UV protection label because a high price tag or super dark tint does not guarantee protection. Next, let's talk about polarization. While UV400 is for safety, polarization is a popular comfort upgrade. Polarized lenses contain a special filter that blocks horizontal light waves, which are the ones responsible for blinding glare off of water, snow, and wet roads. The benefits? Reduced eye strain, sharper contrast, and much more vibrant colors. However, there is a drawback. Polarized lenses can make it difficult to see LCD screens, like your phone, making them look dim or distorted. So, which should you choose? If you just need everyday sunglasses for the city or shopping, standard UV400 is perfect and essential. But if you're driving, fishing, skiing, or doing water sports, you definitely want the recommended combo, polarized plus UV400. To test if your glasses are actually polarized, look at a digital screen and rotate the glasses 90 degrees. The screen should turn dark or black. Also, consider larger frames or wraparound styles to block UV rays from entering the sides of your eyes. And if you're playing sports, highly impact-resistant polycarbonate lenses are the way to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you prioritize UV400 for your eye safety and consider polarization if you want that extra visual comfort. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.